How to turn on live photos on TikTok. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open TikTok. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on your profile at the bottom right. Then click on three lines located at top right corner of your screen. Then click on Settings and Privacy. In here, scroll down and click on Accessibility. In here, at last, you'll find Animated Thumbnails. Click on Animated Thumbnails. Make sure it's turned on. After you turn that on, live photos on TikTok will be turned on. Make sure the white circle is on right, which means it's turned on. This is how to turn on live photos on TikTok. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I am Sophie signing off until next time.